Nermal wants a clear out against Josh Lazaro. Attacks, leaning in, doesn't get the whistle. Ambuluto fighting for it. Blocked by Kabaini. 10 seconds left. Pull-up jumper by Viloria is good. 11-9 ang ating talaan. Zamboanga with a 2-point lead. Comboy is now on the floor for Batangas City. Ablaza, libre sa tres. Yes!
That's what we want.
Padrigao. Sa corner ulit. Kalisay. Back-to-back triples. Skips it to Jan Nermal. Turns down the three. Comboy will not. He will shoot it. It rims out. Ambuluto. Tumingkayan lang. Ablaza. Lumusob. Pasa sa labas. Yambing. 2 dribbles. Leaning in for the basket. Brandon Wilson. Bunyag offering that screen. Wilson shoots over Don Ochea. And he scores from shot clock at 4. Tarim dumps it down low. Lunor will score.
Again, we go back to how veteran...
Batangas City on the run. Comboy pulls the trigger and hits a free. Comboy shoots the free. Short. Arim gives them a third shot opportunity. Yambing.
Oh, finally makes it.
Padrigao will shoot over Darwin
Oh,
Lunor.
Oh, another turnover. This game is ridden with turnover. Ano ba akala ng mga tao? Walang nakabantay sa kanila at parang diretso lang yung pasa nila.
Yambing got hurt. Jason Puray pulls the trigger and nails the free. Jan Nermal. Tinaan sa kabila. Defensive rebound set up Laza. Tatalbog palabas yung tira pero tumabaho sa ilalim. Third effort good for Jan Nermal. Ambuluto back to Ukrainian. Backing down Padrigao. Viloria nawala sa kanyang bola. Turnover na naman against Batangas City. Brandon Wilson off the dribble, getting past Ablaza. And it's a goaltend. Pass to Brandon Wilson for 3. Ambuluto clears the miss.
Both teams, I have to admit, they're playing really good defense. The paint, there seems to be no driving lane, and that's how they're gonna start scoring.
Ablaza. Back to the outside. Abdul Sawat tatapik. Naagaw na naman. Padrigao on the move. Bounce pass inside. Kabaini will finish.
When it comes to handling the ball.
Jan Nermal on target from downtown.
For Zamboanga and Batangas. Another turnover.
Abdul Sawat will make them pay. Paeng Are tries baseline. Kicks it out. Kalisay for 3. That's his third 3-point shot made. 14 points for Arthur Kalisay. Nermal, the answer on the other end.
Ito si Wendell Comboy being also involved in the offense.
Sa loob, Ambuluto will score.
Figuratively
44.
speaking, tsaka literally speaking yon, Ken.
Up and under, Paeng Are, short. Rebound by Ochea sa loob. Nermal, gawa ng paraan. Nahanap si Abdul Sawat. Fakes off the handoff.
Good pass.
Mintis lang si Ambuluto. Zamboanga dodging a bullet. Puray, no hesitation, giving them a lift. That's his second triple of the ball game.
Let's see how the fourth quarter will turn out.
Jason Puray with 8 markers. Nermal, ang kanyang kababayan, sumagot din with a free.
He is not done in this 1-3-1 zone of Zamboanga. Hindi pa nila, but there, finally, good play run by Batangas, finally breaking that code.
They were key cogs to to that stint under Coach Egay Macaraya.
And it's a lot of missed opportunities from there. And sa Batangas slowly peaking in this ballgame. There again, making the right place. They finally found a hole dun sa 1-3-1 defense.
Crossover dribble. Wilson sent back to the friend zone by Rin William Bing. Back the other way. Nermal fouled. Ang hirap tumapos when you're at the rim with those long
But I mean,
arms.
Zamboanga has got good looks. It's just not being able to get it in.
Comboy will roll that one in.
That's completely a different story para dito sa Batangas.
Patrigao bounce pass inside. Reverse layup from John Bahari. Lead is down to 10.
Yeah, good early offense para dito sa Zamboanga.
Jason Puray. Kahit si Fortsky Patrigao, pinaupo na din.
Oh, good fake.
Yambing escapes and scores.
Carried itong Batangas offensively here in the second half. They were struggling against the 1-3-1. But then the coaching staff of Batangas doing a good job.
Yambing shoots over John Mahari. Mahari pushing it. Bounce pass to Brandon Wilson. He will finish. Reacquainting with his former squad. But
In the second half, itong Zamboanga playing such a good defense with their 1-3-1 until Nermal and the rest of the coaching staff figured out a way and he took over and he is our best player of the game.